This is my undiluted life as a mom.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt.
Brand new day. I'm getting started with my mommy duties. As a matter of fact, I am late. Hi Bobo, you don't have to bang the door like that. I know you've been waiting for me. Scent of the day from Latafa. This is a new fragrance that I am trying out. First impression, I don't want to say I don't like it. I just feel like it's something that I have smelled before, so I'm not really obsessed with it, but it's not bad. The longevity is definitely there. Show them what you're doing. If I had a boy, maybe things would have been different, because my girls, anything they see me doing, they want me to do it to them too. Let's open up the window. I need to wash my hands. All the skincare products that I've been using. We have two types of salt. I love to use pink Himalayan salt. My husband uses salt as part of his oral routine because it's really good. You know, he uses the salt, he puts it in water and just gurgle it. So it feels weird every time he puts salt in water, in his water, and then it turns pink because it's pink Himalayan salt. So we have this one, and then we have this one that my husband uses. So this is his personal salt when he's doing his oral routine. One thing I've come to learn about men is men are not as diverse as women, because of course growing up I was used to the normal table salt, but you know, I just decided to try something different, and I've just fallen in love with the pink Himalayan salt. I don't even know if there's any difference between them apart from the physical appearance, because they all taste the same, you know. But if you have an idea of the difference between the two salts, let me know. But because that is something that he grew up knowing, it's so hard for him to understand, like, what are you talking about, pink Himalayan salt? He was like, that salt looks so artificial because it looks pinkish in color. I don't know how true that is, but I don't think so. You want more banana? Yes, you do.
Mommy.
Can you help me put in the trash outside, please?
Okay.
Thank you, baby. 1 chopped tomatoes right here. Yes. So I'm just gonna have my own breakfast too. I'm having whatever was left over from my kids' breakfast. So plantain, eggs, and some mayo. And I'm gonna finish up my drink. This thing tastes fantastic. It is a Mexican drink, a Mexican yogurt drink. I love the pina colada flavor. This is what the strawberry looks like, but I prefer the pina colada flavor. We get it from Walmart. I really love it. I'm gonna eat my food right now, and I'll talk to you guys later. This is the aftermath of cooking and giving food to my toddler. I don't know why this girl will always pour her water on the floor, and she does it intentionally. When she's done pouring the water, just makes me know that okay, she's tired of eating her food, or she's done and she wants to get out of her high chair. Some men will ask, what do housewives do when they stay at home? We are eating. When we are home, we eat. We don't do anything. We eat and then we just sleep. That's what we do. One thing I've come to realize as a mom is that cooking for my kids is a way of me showing them how much I love them. I just feel like cooking is like an act of showing how much I love them. And I'm always so excited to do it. Even when I don't feel like doing it, I still go ahead and I do it, you know. Hey guys, it's currently 2 p.m. and I have literally been fighting with my kids for them to take a nap. Well, I had to carry the baby on my back. She's currently on my back. And my 4-year-old, wow, 4-year-old, okay. My 4-year, it just hit me that I have a 4-year-old. Anyway, my 4-year-old, I have been fighting with her for her to take a nap, and she doesn't want to, but she will take a nap because I need some quietness. Anyway, places are calming down, all TVs off, no gadgets. They need to take a nap. So everywhere is dark. I mean, it's not dark. I just closed the blinds. Let me show you guys. So that's the most I can do. We don't have like proper like curtains. That's what I mean. We don't have curtains. So when they take a nap, I'm also expecting someone. We currently have 2 dryers, so we want to sell our old dryer because we don't need it. In Hawaii, we had 2 dryers, 2 washers, so we had the one other washer and dryer we did not use for 4 years that we were there. And tell me why we didn't ask around to just get rid of it. But anyway, there is someone coming to pick it up, and my husband was like, whatever they give you, just take it. Anyway, that's how badly we want to get rid of it. But that dryer is so strong, it's so good. So I'm just waiting for the person to come. I told them that when they come, they shouldn't ring the bell. They should send me a text, because if they ring the bell is so loud around the house, it's gonna wake the kids up, and I don't want them to wake up. I really want to have, if it's just 1 hour of me time. Anyway, when the baby, I think she is sleeping already. Let's see. Yes. Okay, she's sleeping. Look at this one. She saw me coming this one. That's when she started closing her eyes. I can see you, Delisa. I'm outside right now. The person for the dryer just collected the dryer. You know that feeling when you start doing something and you see the next thing that you have to do. So I'm basically sweeping the driveway because we don't have trees very close to the house, but of course trees around, the deposit leaves around the driveway, and it's so ugly. I hate it. So I'm basically here trying to sweep the leaves. I don't like seeing them because I know they can, they might turn into soil, but I don't like seeing them. So this is the front pouch. It's looking way better. As a child, I was always looked as that lazy child, and even before I got married, a lot of people always looked at me. People who have probably never seen me or never had any encounter with me, they always just looked at me and assumed I was very lazy, like when it comes to keeping a home and all of that. And I think even my close family members, they always saw me as that lazy person. But now that I'm grown, I have kids, I'm nowhere close to laziness. And when you walk into my home, sometimes you will not even believe that I have kids in my house, because I am literally on my toes. I mean, they keep me on my toes. My home, not all the time. Yeah, there are times that I'm like, okay, you guys just do whatever you want to do. When you're done, I'll come clean it up. But what I'm trying to say is, you know when maybe 100% of the time your house is always scattered or dirty because you have kids. Can never be me. Or disorganized because you have kids. Can never be me. Or just basic things being taken care of. It can never be me. Anyway, I have water boiling right now that I'm going to use to clean the house. Usually I like to put baking soda in my water when I'm mopping, but when I was in Hawaii, I realized every time I use baking soda, it left a white residue on my floor, which I did not like. That's when we had wood. I did not like. So I don't know if it's because I was putting too much baking soda, because I really love to clean with baking soda. So I'm gonna try again today. I will not put a lot in the water, and let's see how everything is gonna turn out.
Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Throw away our labor like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah.
This is what I am working with right now. Everything is back to normal. Everything is back to normal. Everything is back to normal. Alright guys, I am done cleaning. So when the kids wake up, guess what is gonna happen? Everything is gonna go back to square one. Like I did not clean. But anyway, that is just my life as a mother. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think we're gonna end this video now. I have basically done 3/4 of the things I was supposed to do today. The only thing that I haven't done today is to clean my bathroom. It's not really dirty. I just have to clean the mirrors and organize a few things. So because when we came, I just put things, I was just emptying the boxes basically and putting things anyhow. So now I'm looking for, basically what I need to do is to look for like a permanent place where majority of things are going to be. So that's what I will be doing probably tomorrow in my bathroom. But for now, I think we are done with majority of the house chores. So thank you so much for watching. If you watched up to this moment, please let me know if you watched up to this moment. Give me a love emoji in the comment section to let me know you watched up to this moment. And if you did watch up to this moment, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for sticking with me. This is my undiluted life as a mom. Yes, I love beauty. Yes, I love fashion. But what a lot of people, except those who are really close to me, what a lot of people don't know is behind the beauty, behind the fashion, when things need to be done as far as my home is concerned, I put everything aside and I face my front. Anyway, I get the job done. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. This is who I am. I am blessed to be who I am. I am not where I would have loved to be, but I am just grateful at the end of the day that I am not where I used to be. So life keeps, we keep things moving, not feeling discouraged. Whatever it is that you're facing in your life, that you feel like you're stagnant and you are not where you want to be, just have that just be grateful to God at the end of the day, and I believe everything will be okay. I don't know why my camera keeps tilting, like it feels like I'm like this. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. 'Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live 'cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. 'Cause baby, I got by you. Here's to new beginnings and a better life. Here's to dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid.